Hi, good morning. I'm just getting ready for my morning routine like every day, which starts with a dip in a thanda sa swimming pool. So let's get ready for a dip in the pool.
I love swimming so much because since I was a baby, Daddu मुझे रोज लेके आते थे swimming and तब से I've become a water baby to the point where मेरे morning routine में swimming has become an essential. It makes me feel so fresh because the water is cold, so you get like a nice wake up call and it just like workout कभी हो जाता है खेलते खेलते पता ही नहीं चलता किससे कपल वो laps भी निकलता है.
I'm finally back home and मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है to start my day with a swim because it makes me feel very productive कि workout तो हो भी गया इतनी जल्दी. But there's one thing which I absolutely don't like to admit, लेकिन swimming से मेरे बाल dry and damaged हो ही जाते हैं. Generally also I feel like the weather, humidity and daily travel also makes our hair very frizzy, dry and damaged, है ना? I've experimented a lot. Like I've tried so many shampoos and hair masks, but then my hair professional recommended me to get the L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair Molecular range. This range works so well for my hair and it gives me like an at-home hair transformation that I can't wait to share it with you. Like what sold me was that the L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair Molecular range claims to repair 2 years का hair damage in the first use. Result तो दिखता ही है उसमें, so make sure you wait till the end to see the final results. Let me share with you the cheat sheet which has just 3 steps to have this at-home hair transformation. Let's go. So the first step, you guessed it right, is cleansing the hair, cleaning the hair with the shampoo. स्विमिंग के पानी में ऑलरेडी बहुत क्लोरीन एंड अदर केमिकल्स होते ही हैं, सो द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस शैम्पू इज दैट इज सल्फेट फ्री एंड इट वर्क्स द बेस्ट बिकॉज आई स्विम ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे. इट क्लेंसेज माई स्कैल्प सो वेल कि मुझे बहुत फ्रेश फील होता है एंड बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो स्टाइल माई हेयर रेगुलरली आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट एंड बिल्ड अप इन माई हेयर विद द प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक स्टाइलिंग मूव्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड दिस क्लीन्स अप ऑल द बिल्ड अप टू. Impurities भी मस्त निकल जाती है. So it's the perfect first step to heal my hair from all the damage because damaged roots and damaged scalp creates a lot of hair fall otherwise. Now the second step is where it gets a bit interesting because we are going to nourish our hair with the Absolute Repair Molecular Mask. Now when the hair is so frizzy and brittle कि it looks like a jhadu, you need to have an extra added layer, right? And this hair mask provides my hair with exactly that added nourishment that it needs. So post wash, I feel like my hair feels so soft and bouncy like a newborn's hair. I know baby skin is a thing, but baby hair, like when you get the chance, try it out. It's so soft and silky. It's like, and the final hack, which I would also skip before this until I saw the results, is to protect the hair with the Absolute Repair Molecular Leave-In Cream. इतनी मेहनत की है, so we can just seal all of this moisture in the hair ना, so that you don't have to wash your hair every single day unless you go to swim like me. This is what gives my hair that extra shine and smoothness so that it looks like वो ad वाले बाल, smooth बाल जिसमें से you can actually run your fingers through. And my favorite part about this is कि ये heat protectant जैसा भी काम करता है. So when I have to actually go for a shoot right after the swim, I don't have to put like more 10 products on my hair. This does all the calm in just that one product. Now the moment you've been waiting for, the final results. Loading in 3, 2, 1, drum roll! On one side you can clearly see how my hair looks so dry and I didn't use any nourishing products on it right after the swim. And on the other side, if I use these products which repair my hair from the damage and don't just give a temporary result, my hair looks like this for long term, that I don't even need to style it on a regular basis. this insane difference was just through my at-home hair transformation. I didn't even have to go anywhere out, and जितना एक treatment में बाहर लगता उतने में ही मेरा घर पे हो गया ये. So looking at this difference, tell me जल्दी से in the comments, would you try this range for yourself? And if you already have, how did it work for you? How damaged was your hair and how did it heal? And I hope you enjoyed watching this video, because if you did, you have to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future videos. If you did not enjoy watching this video, bindas give it a thumbs down. I will see you in a brand new video very soon. Until then, goodbye.